Welcome back. As you probably know by the title, I'll be reviewing the Sony M4 today. So, people say, let's hold on for a second. If you haven't seen my previous video, which was the unboxing and the first impressions of the Sony M4, I'll link that in the descriptions below. Now let's get into it, the video. So, people say that these are the best headphones of 2021, and that got me curious. So I got a pair of Sony M4s, tested them for a week. For me, I don't know if they're the best because I haven't tried other phone companies, headphone companies, but they're good for me, and I would wear them for every day. I would wear them for every day. So battery was good. Lasted me 3 days before I actually had to charge them. Speakers are good. Noise cancellation is good. And I tried the custom mode, which I was talking about in the for other video, which was the unboxing and the first impressions. And I told you guys how I would like to try them, and I did. So let me show you the app. Yes, you do have to get an app on your phone, and it's the Sony headphones app if you want the full experience. So this is the app. If you click on that. Okay, so custom mode. Here you can change the custom mode feature. So I chose the press one time, it turns into ambient mode. A long press would turn on noise cancellation, and I like that feature. It was interesting and I like them. Another good feature which I love is the connecting two devices at the same time. So you don't have to keep switching back and forth between the devices. Like if you have an iPad and a phone, you can connect both of them at the same time, and you don't have to keep switching between them. That was good. So let me tell you, another feature is when you pause the headphones, and when you take off the headphones, the music or whatever you're playing pauses, which I liked, and that was another good feature. Yeah. The speak to chat option. That's also another new feature which I liked. And speak to chat option is like when someone over there is coming in and trying to talk to you, you don't have to do press twice or do this or take them off. You can just speak and they turn off the music. It stops and you can talk to them freely, which I liked. And you can customize all of these on the app, Sony app. And yeah, those are things I liked and that are new for the Sony M4. So yeah, now for the disadvantage. Disadvantages is you can't take these everywhere. It's kind of hard to. You could try, but it doesn't really work out. I tried taking these to shops like Costco, grocery stores. They didn't work. They would probably work if you take them on a plane or if you go on a long drive. These are perfect occasions for that. Other than that, I don't see myself taking these for short distances, like somewhere I could take. I don't think I would take these, and I don't think I could. Yeah. So and then another one is I didn't. I did. I did like most of these features. It was that one, and it was the one where, yeah, okay, business calls. So you can't, if you try and take a business call or a school call or something important that you can't really use these for that. They just don't work. But they're good for music. They're good for when you listen to music or heavy music users and who listens to music everywhere. These are perfect for them. Like I would gladly say you should go buy these. And the price for me was actually cheaper because I got it on a deal. but they're usually $3.99. These headphones are, and I got them for $2.99. So it was a good deal at Best Buy when I got these. I don't know when you watched this video, like they still have that deal, but that was the deal I had, and that was good. I like that deal. So overall, when you use these headphones, they'll only go for specific type of people, and so music users. Those are the specific people. These are uh addressed to, or like they make those to, are targeted to. These are the specific people they're targeted to. And everybody else, they're not really targeted for everyone. Just mostly music users, or like people who like a good beats, or whoever feels like, if they don't like the in-ear one, like the AirPods, these, and like the ear cups, I would recommend these to them. And yeah, this was it for this. It felt almost the same of the Sony M3s, except for those like few features that I told you about. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. My name is Keshav. This is Tech Boss, and I'll see you in the next one.